Nana wanted to leave her job even when she liked her job. She liked her co-workers. She wanted more, not in terms of more responsibility or autonomy or pay, but in terms of acknowledgement and appreciation. She explained her rationale behind leaving the job, that although her boss was extremely consistent at managing her performance, he wasn't very good at acknowledging and appreciating the results. She herself thinks that she is a high achiever, very goal oriented, and likes to push herself. But after 5 years of consistently exceeding expectations, she thinks that her boss would have shown some sort of appreciation. Instead, every time she meets her, she'd just talk about how excited she was to increase her goals. Human resource is in a quandary. It has the knowledge that across the world, people who quit their jobs cite lack of appreciation as the reason for leaving. The saddest part of all of this is that managers have so many opportunities to show people appreciation. HR people tried to analyze the problem to get their goal of stopping Nana to quit her job. Gone are the days of traditional annual appraisal process which reflects the true sense of collaboration and innovation, a problem in today's corporate world. This perennial problem has brought the companies back again and again in the labor market of picking up the talents, and concerns about retention of talent has started to show again. The biggest drawback of annual appraisal is that there is heavy emphasis on financial rewards and punishments and their end of year structure. People are held accountable for past behavior at the expense of improving current performance and grooming talent for the future, both of which are critical for organizations' long term survival. The regular conversations about performance and development has changed the focus to build a workforce which an organization needs to remain competitive both today and in the coming years. Annual raises and lump sum bonus payments have proven ineffective at driving performance improvements. Moreover, employees' growing discontentment with the annual appraisal process and the desire for more frequent and timely feedback, ongoing conversations about their work is need of the hour. Continuous performance management built on a foundation of regular check-ins, ongoing feedback, and frequent recognition moments. Companies can optimize performance by enabling employees to achieve their fullest potential. Traditional performance management built on a foundation when human capital was plentiful. The focus was on which people to let go, which to keep, and which to reward. With changing times, it is not showing its desired results. The debate can be ended by understanding the current situation, that when talent is in shorter supply as it is now, developing talent became a greater concern, and organizations have to find new ways of meeting that need. Human Resource Department analysis says that key to reaping positive business outcomes from performance management is to establish a system that employees and managers perceive as fair. To ensure that perception, managers should master 3 critical practices: linking individuals' goals with business priorities, coaching effectively, and differentiating compensation across levels of performance. Time to have a sincere conversation with an employee and tell them why you believe in them. Talk about the qualities and strengths you recognize in them. Having someone believe their ability is a powerful form of appreciation because it shows them that someone truly understands their unique capabilities. Regular interaction with the employees is an opportunity to show appreciation by encouraging effort. We all need someone cheering us on. This will increase confidence in their skills, increase in understanding that they are on track and in good standing with their manager. This shall improve their relationship with their leader. Recognition is the word chanted by employees across the world. Every employee says that I need recognition more than anything else. Regular, one-on-one, weekly or fortnightly meetings shall help not only the managers to monitor the work of the employees, but also timely reward for their small achievements, which we all know lead to big achievements. Review in today's world is often more focused on goal achievement or result creation, which is a good thing. It's the process of sitting down with an employee and assessing what happened during a certain time frame, what was accomplished, and what could be improved. Time has come to talk about the energy, humor, and tenacity of an employee in the performance appraisal meetings. This will bring certain calmness in times of stress. Talk, appreciate, and recognize an employee for his never say die attitude. When you do, you'll see more of it. Create the sense of psychological safety on your own team starting now. You can expect to see higher levels of engagement, increased motivation, more learning and development opportunities with better performance.